Good morning, guys. This is Phil with Miranda Detailing. Today we are working on a Trailblazer SS and we are doing exterior only package on it. It's going to be the Onyx Stage 2 Paint Refinement service, and it's black paint. It's a little faded, it's a little swirled. It's not in horrible shape, but we are going to refine it and make it look much better. So let's see what we're working with. Okay, so let's get started. Cue the music. So we have washed the vehicle and it's all decontaminated with that clay bar mitt. However, there are certain areas that still need a little bit more. So we have our clay bar here. It's been warming up in our buckets with hot water, and I'm using a clay lubricant and making sure to go over these parts. They're not horrible, but it is picking up contaminants. So we make sure to get all of these little areas, even underneath this sill. And again, it's not picking up too much, but it's enough. The paint needs to be smooth before we polish it and free of any grit. So we're just going to continue along doing this. That is done. Now the paint feels smooth. On to the drying process. apologize, I do have the generator going in the background, but I want to show you on the other side of the vehicle here where it's a little bit more quiet, the condition of the paint that we're working with. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty swirled up, pretty hazy and marred. But as you've already seen on the hood, it's polishing very nicely. It's coming out great. If you do have comments or questions about the products we use, feel free to comment below. I'll put links to the equipment, the tools, the products that we use in the bottom in the description. And again, if you have questions, just feel free to ask. And again, this is our Onyx Stage 2 Paint Refinement. So this vehicle, it's an older vehicle. It does have a lot of scratches. It has a lot of these abrasions and these deeper scratches here that they're not going to come out with this. And really, I probably wouldn't go any further. If I was to measure the paint, it would probably be pretty thin. I'm thinking this has been polished before since it's an older vehicle. And I wouldn't go chasing out those swirls. But overall, when the vehicle is done, you're not really going to notice those as much. The overall effect is going to be incredible. So we just finished polishing this side here, and it's a little hard to focus because it's wanting to just focus on the reflection. So I focused in. Now you can see right there. So you see all these other little light imperfections. They're deeper in the paint, and the overall effect is, as you're going to see, much better, much improved. And again, this is close up with this high-powered LED light. But if we pan over, move this over here, and you can see here's what the paint looked like before. And again, these are a lot of defects in here. And now to the polished side. Vast improvement. Here again, original. And then polished. So that's what this service can provide, is just refining the paint, making it look much better. They are chrome. Who knew? Just finished. Again, this is the Trailblazer SS. It's an older model, and it definitely needed some help getting polished and cleaned up, decontaminated. So as you saw throughout the process, you saw some of the befores and afters. So the whole vehicle is now complete, and it is super glossy, very slick, it's protected, and looking amazing. So let's see how it turned out.